Hello Yorobun! So, welcome back to me and my channel. I'm going out today. I'll be going with my college friends. Magdi-dinner lang kami. I'm not sure if I'll be able to vlog. Lagi ako ganito, pero I'll gauge yung energy ng friends ko and if they're willing to be on camera. I also just wanted to share what's on my lips kasi magtatampo yung mga taong nagbigay. No, I'm very thankful to those who gifted me this. So this is Kiko Milano. Nakikita ko lang siya sa TikTok and hindi ko na siya pinangarap bilhin kasi for me it's a splurge. And I'm so thankful na they gave it to me. So you guys know who you are to my data quality people. Ano ba? To my Proverbs people who gifted me this. Thank you so much. Okay. So ito siya. This is what it looks like on the lips. Medyo may learning curve yung paglalagay. Kaya hindi rin perfect. Pero, kita nyo naman ang ganda. Ginandahan ko today. Sana tumuloy. Matutuloy naman kami, pero sana tumuloy yung ganda ko. At yung vlog, di ba? Sayang naman. Pero, dahin ko to. Dahin ko ang everything para matuloy tayo. So yeah, I'll first roam around sa Owan Ayala or sa SM Makati. Kasi I wanted to buy a few things. So, sama ko kayo. Ay, ang ganda ko talaga, day. Mukha akong Snow White. Kasi hindi dapat sa akin nanggagaling yun. That's sa inyo. Kaso wala naman kasi nagja-chat. Wala naman kasi nagko-comment. E di ako na lang. Ba't ko kayo inaaway? 35 na nga na kayo. Inaaway ko pa kayo. Anyways, ayun, sige. Alis na ako. In a few. Sasapat pa ako and everything. See you there. Ang ganda ko. And that is indeed the end of the day of the vlog. Ano daw? Wala na talaga ako ibang na-shoot. I'm very sorry. And I'm very thankful to my college friends for the day kasi very happy naman kami. And for the shirt that they gifted me. Makikita nyo yun later. Ayun. Pasensya na. Next day na tayo. Hello, Yorobun. Nagmamadali ako kasi nasa elevator kami. Pero, papunta kami Glorieta. Birthday ni Colin. Ano sa'yo, Bear? Tiger. Sobrang laki. Tabura? Isa lang. Saan? Dito mo sa pera ng patas. Oh, suga! Dito ako. Ba't may ganyan? Sige mo, sige. Basta galing. Ito, tuloy. Sabay, ito ako. Gulit ko mo. Sabay. Sorry, baby. Ito dito yung lang yan. Ang mga sa kalapit ka na. Ano ko na isa? Siguro. this is really bad storytelling and I'm very sorry kasi after that, wala na ako ibang clips and it's been a few days and wala pa rin akong clips. Pero I hope you understand kasi there's just a lot of things happening. And ayun, kaya ito na yung next clip natin. Wala natutulog. Natutulog ikaw? Natutulog ikaw? So yeah, this is the day of my flight on the way to Bangkok, and I'm taking this time to think with myself. Think with myself. Ewan ko ba kung anong gusto ko sabihin, pero I just really wanna share yung clips lang din before going out of the Philippines and how scary I felt during this time na wala akong certainty, especially from the immigration ng Philippines hanggang immigration ng Thailand. Kahit sa flight, feeling ko may ibang mangyayari sa sobrang takot ko na mabati ko yung move ko. This is something that I have been dreaming of, and I'm so thankful to everyone around me and the people who helped me make this come true. Yun, super dami pa na mangyayari of course in the future, but right now I'm inhaling the happiness and yung joy that I'm feeling right now to be able to be in this place, to be able to enjoy all the things that's in here. So I hope you feel the joy that I'm feeling just through the videos that I'm sharing. Yeah. So I went home around 11 p.m. na. Doon na kami nakarating sa flight. And then the morning after, I ate in front. And I'm so excited to live this life and share it with you guys. So please be with me. Hello, Yorobun. So I guess I had a few clips that I shot. And I think nag-play naman na siya throughout. So I think that was my last few days in the Philippines. Tapos now I'm in Bangkok. Ayan. So I think I'm closing the vlog here. It's currently 1 p.m. here and I'm going out to buy a few things that I need. So I'll include that in the next vlog na lang para hindi kayo malit sa life. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm very sorry kasi hindi talaga ako naging consistent the past weeks because inaasikaso ko yung move here. So yeah, hopefully everything will be smooth moving forward. Super ano naman, super glass skin naman first. Anyways, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in the next vlog. I think very soon din yun kasi parang mahabol ko yung mga na-miss ko. Pero yun. See you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.